What is reverse logistics? Imagine a customer purchases a T-shirt from your company, and it does not fit well and hence fails to satisfy the customer. They would like to send it back to you. So the trip back, you need to ensure the shipping labels, the logistics coordination, and the repackaging to be resold. This is reverse logistics in a nutshell.
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you are missing out on value-adding content.
Returns are a major headache for both customers and corporations. Companies drain millions from their working capital and create an unwanted inventory and billions of kilograms of waste, which require extra labor to manage. This is where the role of reverse logistics comes in.
Companies look forward to reversing logistics to safeguard their environmental impact and their bottom line, from in-person returns to pickups to even robots. One might find the return rate of 8 to 10% in a brick-and-mortar store, but e-commerce may fuel return rates of 20 to 30%. Forrester research suggests that a corporation like Amazon accrued an online return value of $207 billion in 2019.
Now let us look into a basic framework of return logistics, which includes networks, decision-making, and entities. Networks. The entire reverse supply chain can be broken down into product take-back networks, PTN, and product recovery network, PRN.
PTNs refers to the accumulation of the product from the consumer at the end of the perceived utility. Hence, acquisition, transportation, distribution of used products, and product recovery are the main tasks of this network. PRNs relate to players' coordination in the different recovery tasks such as refurbishing, reusing, recycling, reuse, repairing, and disposal.
Decisions. Achieving network goals require significant choices. These need to be pre-planned and well-formulated to meet goals. Goals are to reduce carbon footprints, lower emissions, safer disposals, and other targets which aim to reduce the harm caused to the environment. Decisions about vendor selection, the economic gains, and the degree of efficiency of each step are put together and mapped out.
Entities. The multiple goals and motivation to make reverse logistics effective and efficient require numerous entities, such as regulatory bodies and customer agencies. These act as essential entities in the entire reverse logistics chain. Consumer actions set motions to triggers throughout the whole network. Meanwhile, regulatory bodies and legislations monitor activities and control actions within the entire supply chain.
For example, OEMs have been required by several regulatory bodies to adhere to recycling goals and have the responsibility of product take-back. The EU Directive on End-of-Life Vehicles of 2000 ordered that 95% of automobiles must be recycled by the deadline of 2015. The
analysis of reverse logistics from the view of entities puts forward several questions that require to be answered. Questions of ownership that the vendors involved in the recovery process, the traits dictating these players' activities such as economic incentives, the impact of regulation, the strategic decision is made to achieve goals, to name a few.
Consumers' return experience is a critical indicator of product satisfaction, leading to increased customer loyalty and increased consumer purchases.
Thank you for watching the video. Check out our previous series on lean management and stay tuned to our channel Force Edu for a lot more on sustainability and operations.